This indicator changes my life. Everyone knows that Bitcoin changes my life, but why is it this indicator? You know, during 2015, 2016, when I started get into Bitcoin, right, I'm having some very deep struggle. I don't know when to sell. The price went up, went down, went up, went down. It ends up like I'm really having a very strong dilemma that should I sell it? But when I sell it, I got in even higher prices. End up, right, I figure out this indicator, and today I'm going to reveal to you. We name it as the bull indicator, a bull wave. How can I use this indicator to know when is a bull starting, when is a bear coming in, when should I sell my Bitcoin, when should I buy more Bitcoin? How can I turn my Bitcoin into 10 Bitcoin, 20 Bitcoin, into 100 Bitcoin by doing coin futures, by keep on multiplying my more Bitcoins? This is what you need to listen. That's why stay until the end. I will reveal to you how I get started in 2017, 2018 when I'm using this indicator. Then in 2020, how can I make another 10x in my portfolio? And right now, are we still in a bull market? Let's see how. How can I add this indicator into my trading view? Just go to indicator and type the bull wave. Okay, so you can see it from DJ Learning, and this is a new indicator I just uploaded because I modified a little bit based on a different signal, so it helps you easier for you to entry and exit. But if you can't find this, the bull wave, just go into this YouTube description. You can see there is a link for this Google Sheets. You can see all my strategy and indicator into this Google Sheets, right? You can see the bull wave and trading view, and this is the indicator link. Just click it in, add this indicator into your favorite so that you can see it in your trading view. That's all. Okay, so you add this, the bull wave, into here. Then after that, what you need to do, it's about, you can see there's triangle, red and green color, and also there's a wave between green wave and red color wave. And how can I use this indicator, and which time frame is it? First of all, we are using Bitcoin USD charts. Okay, and secondly, I am using day chart. These strategies only can be utilized in day chart. For other time frame, it is not workable. The reason is because this is a trend indicator. A trend indicator, we need bigger time frame. Smaller time frame, we don't look into this one. Okay, so first of all, how can I use these strategies and make my fortunes in my previous time? Let me go back to, let's say, 2020. Remember when the COVID time, the price went down crazily, lots of people lose money. I still remember I'm having a class during that time, a live class about trading, about Bitcoin, and Bitcoin crashed down from 8,000, 7,000, 6,000, 5,000, 4,000. Wow, that is crazy, man. But I'm lucky, and most of my students are really lucky because they sold everything off. A lot of them went to short and they make crazy profit. Due to what? It's because of this indicator, the bull wave. Let me show you here. Okay, so a red one is going to tell you that this is the time the bear may be coming in, but not sure yet. So when I see there is a red one shows up here and it's overshot the wave, so normally from this type of indicate, it tells me that I need to sell all my coins. But some of you may be having some dilemma whether it's the time for you to sell or not, or you want to wait until the red signal shows up. It's still okay, either one. But always remember, first rules is about a red signal shows up. The second rules is about the wave start to turn red. This is the bear markets. So wave tells you that bear market, signal tells you that a retracement start. A strong retracement, which means that it touches the wave, it considered a really possible of changing trend. Got it? So here at this onwards, I start to sell all my coins. End up I sold everything off here. Okay, somewhere between 8,000. Price went down crazily into about 4,000, 3,008. I remember around there. Then it went up back. And here indicate the first buying signal. So in your decisions making, what should you do? Should you follow the green one, or should you follow the wave? For me, 50-50. I divide my portfolio. When the first signal tells you that this is an uptrend, I will buy in first for first 50%. When the wave changes, I will buy in another one. So it tells me that it is having a confirmation, secure my profit, because the green wave start to come in. The green wave tells you about the boom is coming in. So imagine how much profit do I make from this one. Let me show you. During the whole green wave, from here, until the red one shows up, I make about 400% of return, 4x. That's easy. Just look at the color. 4x. So you don't need to have a lot of dilemma whether it's a time for you to buy or sell. Okay, in between definitely there's a lot of green and red signal. It tells you a retracement or rebound. But every time there's a retracement, maybe you can sell 50%. But if it's a green triangle with a green wave, you need to buy in back. Even though if it's a higher price, you need to buy in back. You don't waste this opportunity. Because this is the time for you to withdraw some profit. At the same time, you need to pump in back your profit because the wave is still here. The bull is still here. You know about the cycle. When you know about the cycle, you hold it like this, you make 4x as a minimum. This indicator can be implemented into Ethereum's other altcoin. The top 21 is good. I remember I make a lot of profit from Ethereum and also Solana. So take note about this one. Okay, when you see there's a red signal here and it touches the wave, you need to really focus in this really. Even though the wave haven't changed yet, but the red signal touches the wave, you need to sell. From here, you avoided about 30% of losses. I'm talking about spot, not leverage. Okay, if you say, David, can I short it? Can I having a coin future short everything? Or maybe can I have a leverage short? Why not? Go ahead. You can have additional 30% of profit. Why not? That's why when it comes into trading, right, I wanted to share with you about having trading in crypto, invest in Bitcoin. You need to understand that a profit considered profit is when you sell it off, when you withdraw the profit. If it's not, you're going to repeat the cycle again and again. You wasted your whole time. You wasted your opportunity. I don't want this to happen in your life because I falls into the trap. I don't have this indicator. So I keep on making a lot of mistakes. Keep on selling and buying, selling, buying. At the end, right, it sounds like you're making profit, right? But ends up, right, I always bought in the higher price but sold off in the lower price because of my mindset or my FOMO, which I can't control. But because of this indicator, I can control easily. Then it went up, it goes up again, it gives me another profit again. Then after in here, small rebound, a small retracement here. You can see when the show signal here, you need to buy back when there's a green one. I don't care whatever. Then you sell and you buy back. You must, because the wave is still green in color. Got it? So let's see. How do you avoid the bear? Very easy. First thing here is a bear. When the first thing here is a bear and here touches the wave, let's say here you sell everything off. Okay. Here of course there is a green one. Here you can see there's a green wave here, right? So maybe you only can avoid 15%. But don't forget about it. Here turns red again. So it went down until where is it? Until somewhere there's a green signal. At the same time it overshot somewhere around here. 65%. Imagine if you hold your coin, you lose up 65% of your value. How painful is it? If you're having a coin futures and you short it 2x, you make additional 65% of your coins. This is how you generate your fortunes. Guys, these videos I'm going to review once to you. Why am I revealed to you? Because I don't know why lots of people, they don't know about this. They thought that everything based on news, based on lucks or whatever. But I want to share with you, you're having luck because you watch this video. Because you know that in the next few years, you're going to make a crazy profits. But very important that making a good profit doesn't comes into like just indicator alone. It also depends on your decision making. Depends on whether how much money you put it in. That is another story. I will cover another topic for this, how much money you want to put it in another video. But this indicator, add it into your trading view, and most important, save this layout so that every time when you're having some dilemma, whether the retracement, whether the rebound is right or not, whether you need to sell or need to buy Bitcoin or not, look at this one. It helps you to have a clearer mindset whether buy or sell. Okay, let me show you another example here. Let's see if you get it in, and until here it turns red, another 36% here. Okay, let's say if you just follow the green wave and red wave, right, another 100%. This is 2024 already, double. That's easy. In summary wise, right, there's three types of way. First way, if it's a red triangle with the green wave, maybe you can sell a bit. You can sell 50%, 30%. But if it's a red triangle with the red wave, please sell everything. Got it? And the last thing, you can also see that if it's a red triangle and it touches the wave, you can sell 50% also. That is how I identify the wave. This is the way that accompanied me during 7 years that generated my profits. So don't miss this out. Follow me and subscribe me, and I'm going to share with you how in my pathway that I double, triple or 10x my portfolio until I achieve what I got today. Stay tuned.